Jonathan, a student of GHCC Domingo Campus, Best Criminology student, and today I am going to discuss polygraph, polygraph and its parts and functions. So, first, polygraph is a scientific diagnostic instrument used to record physiological physiological changes in the blood pressure, pulse rate, respiration, and skin resistance, and examining under controlled conditions. Polygraph means many writings, and the instrument was so named because it makes various ink recordings of person body functions. It's also called truth verifier, since statistics shows that is the vast majority of the instances the instrument verifies an innocent person's truthfulness. So, major parts and components. So, first, major parts, major components of polygraph. So, first, pneumograph. This occupy the two upper pins of the instrument which records the thoracic and abdominal breathing patterns of respirations. This is accomplished through the use of a pneumograph, consisting of the two hollow corrugated tubes about 7 inches in length. It's attached to a unit by a rubber hose, not longer than 6 feet and not larger than 1/4 inch in diameter. The breathing of pneumo unit, a low pressure unit. The inhalations, exhalations of the subject causes the tubes to expand and contract, thereby reflecting the changes through bellows to the pin and to the chart. So that's the first component. So second, the galvanometer. This is the longest and the third pin of the instrument. The the electrodes are attached to the index finger and the ring finger of the left hand, or to the palmar and dorsal surface of the left hand. The electrodes used for obtaining the recording of the GSR or electrodermal responses are fastened to the hand or finger by means of the passage of an imperceptible amount of electrical current through the hand of finger bearing the attached electrodes. A, gal, a galvanometer unit provides recording of the variations in the flow of the electrical current. So, third, the Cardius pimograph. So, this is the port and the bottom pin of the instrument. This system records changes in the mean blood pressure, rate and strength of pulse beat by means of a medical blood pressure cuff containing a rubber blader that is wrapped around the upper arm in a manner that's placed the bladder against the brachial artery. The bladder is connected the rubber hose passed to pressure indicating gauge, gauge to a very sensitive bellows and its connected lever system that powers the pin. So next next for the last one. So chemograph. This is the chart recording unit of the instrument. It has a synchronized motor that drives the charts at the rate of 6 inches per minute, and its speed constant is vital because the vertical lines, which are spaced either or 1/2 or 1 inch interval, represent 5 or 10 seconds interval on the chart. This provides the polygraphist with a means of determining pulse rate and question spacing. So detachable parts and accessories. So number one, chart driving mechanism, chart roll arbor, Adler roller, pen table, paper guides, stroke roller, cutter bar, off and on power switch, synchronous motor. Number two, pin and inking system, capillary pin, ink well plates, ink dropper, cock bill. So pneumograph sections, we have rubber jellos, bedded chain, rubber flexible tubing, pneumograph tube connections, pneumograph connecting tube, pneumograph distributing ink, pneumograph pipeline, vent valve and vent bottom, tambor assembly, spigmo manometer, resonance control. And number four, cardio sections, pump valve assembly, blood pressure pump connections, blood pressure cuff assembly, connector block. Um, Number 5, galvanograph sections, hand electrode, electrode yellow, and galvanometer. And that's all. Thank you.